What's up, guys? Okay. This vlog is gonna be about, I say, 5 minutes. I don't know. But you know what? It's crazy, bruh. Okay, literally like 5-10 minutes ago, something crazy happened with my dog, okay? Not this one. Not that little dog. No, this bad boy who's outside. Just a little bit bigger, but not much. He's a dope dog. And bro, he got in a fight. Not with a cat, though. You know, with a freaking pit bull. And he's still alive, bro. I'm just kidding. We actually had to get some assistance. I had to pull all 3 dogs away. But here's what happened. So my dog's casually walking over there just to sniff his butt. Do you regret that, boy? Do you regret it? I probably would have. So he walked over there, went to go sniff his butt, but something happened. So supposedly that dog was a fighter. A dog fighter. What guy does that to a dog? Are you fucking kidding me? Okay? That's what he did. That's what happened. That's the history of that dog. That dog was crazy. Okay? So he went to go sniff up his butt. And that dog jumped, got all scared, and went bullshit crazy. And like, my dog bleeding. I think he still is bleeding, but look, I can show you how much blood he was at that moment. It was like, what the fudge? Okay? So what you got? You got your average blood stains, okay? Pretty bad. Now, I think he's got more on there. Yeah. That's what you got. Pretty bad. But this dude, right there, was in a massive fight. He did it, yo. He did it. Pulled the win. Just kidding, no, he didn't. But let's see if he will let us show us this. Mister! Boo boo, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Look. Wait, are you bleeding more? Maybe you are. I don't know. Yeah, you are. Okay, so, hey. But yeah, that's what we've got. It ain't that good. Got some massive injuries. His ears torn off a little bit. It's pretty scary, though. I mean, I love that dog. But this little chihuahua over here tried helping. She's a beast. She don't care what size dog you are. She don't care what type of dog you are. She gonna get in there and she's gonna whoop your ass. Okay? That dog is lit. That dog is a champion of the world. But yeah, like I said, he had a fight. It was crazy. But let's get on to the day. Okay? Now, I don't know if I can show you this dog or something. But you know what? It's whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna give this guy like 10 treats. Cause bruh, would you wanna be fat after you had a fight? I'm kidding, actually you wouldn't wanna be thinner. Or no, buffer so you can like win more fights. But not a dog. Yeah, y'all wanna be fat. So I'm gonna give a treat. A treat. 2 treats. Let's go. 1 treat for you. You don't get. Fine, you get half. Lousy dog. Get for nothing. Lousy dog. I get my own. Ate it. Just cheating. You could have more. You were a good puppy. But you, boy, get more. Cause bro, you were lit, bro. Okay. So, we haven't been posting much vlogs. But we be trying. See? We be trying. But me, I think I'm gonna whoop myself up some food. So, whoosh. What do I want? I'm kidding. I don't drink those. Woo! Sorry, Dad. Let's go. Pretty good. Just kidding. I'm not gonna drink that. Okay. I think I want my. Let's go. I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I know what I'm gonna do now. It's in this one now. Cook myself up some pizza. Pizza sounds good right now. Pizza. This boy want pizza too. What the? Let's get one pizza too. Get your own pizza.
No.
Where'd it go? Okay. I think I gotta heat up the oven 450. Let's go. Okay. Looks like we got gonna cook some pizza. I think that says preheat oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! 400. Stop. Let's go. I don't know, bro. But let's go. Okay. TV. Hey! I don't know. That movie pretty good, but not good enough. Hey! I'm making you pizza. So if you want pizza, you don't eat that.
I'm not having pizza.
Sweet, I get my own pizza. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I know you're a woman now.
Bruh. Got this in Christmas? Not riding it. Not mine, my brother's. That's surprising, but my sister got one too. Not riding it. But if in winter. If fucking winter. You wanna see this? It's fucking winter. It's fucking winter. Hey! Hey, you on video camera. Hey, you on video camera. I don't need anything. Bro, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, yeah. Watch this. This is pretty funny, okay? Watch it. I find this pretty funny. When I get in the kitchen, he walks up to me. The fuck? Actually, because you know what I mean. You hungry? Are you hungry? Sit. Sit. Good, but first time that was ever said before. Damn. Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son. He had a red rocket. Okay. Just listen to what it sounds like when I'm making these dudes them food. It's pretty funny. Okay? Pretty funny. First you get them bowls. Them bowls. Where are them bowls? Where are them dog bowls? Wow, bowl. I need a toast bowl. Toast bowl. How the? Did you get over there? Bowl. Here. Let's go. Boom. I need to get their dog food. Ah! Dog food. Let's go, son. See what I mean? Ya hear him? Ya hear him? You ain't got no food. No food. No food. No food. You, on the other hand, no food. Food on mine. I eat dog food. Food on mine. out, son. You got any more? Hey, chill, bro. Chill. What you looking at? I know I'm sexy, bro. I'm sexy. I know I am. Okay, mixing the dog food. I'm a mixer.